Let's take a look at a critical area during any service on a Dyna model that you should inspect. That would be the rubber isolation mounts, the lower mount on the front of the engine crankcase. You should check the through bolts. You should check the lower rivets. You should check the torque on the engine crankcase bolts that mount the engine to the rubber mount. Again, don't let that mount get overly contaminated with oil when you change your oil. Oil and rubber don't act good together. Up top, there are bolts that mount the cross strap to the top of the cylinder head. There's also a stabilizer link. Take your finger and try and spin the washer. If you can spin the washer, the bolt is loose and it should be retorqued to factory specification. Whenever you're working on your motorcycle, whether it be service or just a good thorough cleaning, double check all your fasteners. You can just usually grab them by hand. If the washer can be moved, chances are the bolt is loose. Double check them. You don't want to be putting a torque wrench on every bolt once a week, but it is your bike. Be aware. Keep everything tight. Shock bolts, these are all integral components. Again, try and move the washer that falls behind the head of the bolt. If the washer can be moved, chances are the bolt is loose.